I'm here with Scott from Supply Chain Now. Scott, we're here in Las Vegas and Manifest. You've spoken to lots of people here at this event today. What are some of those themes that you're hearing from here in Vegas?
That is a great question. I think I've had 27,000 conversations. I'll tell you, Hannah Kane from Alon had a great a nugget she shared. Supply chain stability is dead. She talked about really, we got to just embrace all the uncertainty. No matter how better and better we're getting at proactively managing supply chains, unfortunately, there's still surprises. There's still the need to be reactive and be able to manage what's in our blind spots. Because as great as we've gotten in some cases of closing that blind spot, it still exists and it always will. It's inherent to global supply chain management. So that was a good nugget. That was a part of many conversations I had, from sidebars to the interviews I conducted to the couple panel sessions I sat in on and participated in. The best supply chain organizations out there, the best leaders, the best teams are the ones that can lean into these obstacles and all this uncertainty, old and new, and transform them into opportunities. They are creating competitive advantage because a lot of their competition is just playing the woe is me factor, right? They're not asking the tough questions. They're not looking at new options and getting creative with some of the uncertainty and bad news that we're going to get. It's part of industry. So transforming obstacles into opportunities, that was a beautiful overarching theme in a lot of my conversations here as well.
It seems the bottom line there is embracing that uncertainty, which is a great theme, I think, for this year, given everything that's happening. That's right. Thank you so much for your insight.
I think one last theme, the wide world of reverse logistics and returns management is getting more and more attention after decades. And when you think about the sustainability imperative, this reverse logistics movement, this circularity movement has been intriguing, especially in the last couple of years. And we see that mainly through more investment, more technology, purpose-built for the reverse side, and lots of startups in the space. And all that is great news to me.
It's interesting that you say optimism, because we have spoken to some people who haven't been so optimistic about the sustainability vibes at the moment. But circular economy, there's a lot going on in that space. So is that the sort of feedback that you're hearing as well? A bit of the sort of identity crisis when it comes to sustainability, if you will?
Well, I think you've got competing forces, right? On one side, you've got the sustainability imperative I was talking about, that still in many surveys, folks are buying with that in mind, or at least they're saying that's important to them in mind. And then one other element on that side of things is you've got different pressures and priorities on supply chain leaders, different technologies they're looking to use. And that's where the other side of the coin comes in. Because as we all know, artificial intelligence, unfortunately, doesn't come cheap. This data center explosion, right, in the US and other parts of the world. And it takes so much energy and power. But supply chain leaders want to have the innovation. They want to have the results and the outcomes that AI and other cutting edge innovative technologies deliver. So what do you get? You get competing forces. So we'll see, there is an ebb and flow across supply chain with new technologies and long-held priorities. There's some alignment that needs to take place, and I think we'll see that next year or two.